god, this is a disaster! Hey, it's Kira, your small red panda here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a full face one palette, and I'm going to be using the Morphe X Pony palette because I love Pony so much. She's an amazing makeup artist, and her palette I think is really well designed, and I'm going to put it to the test. Okay, so for full face, I'm going to do full face except for obviously like foundation and mascara and like lipstick. I apologize for the not aesthetically pleasing background. I haven't quite figured out where to film yet since moving, so yeah. Alright, so I did my base off camera. So for primer I use the NYX Plump It Right Back, and then for the foundation I use the CoverGirl Clean Fresh foundation in the shade 510 Porcelain. And now we're gonna dig into this bad boy right here. So it's got a bunch of different shades that you can use for everyday makeup and for makeup to just like play with, you know, play with colors and experiment. So I'm gonna be doing my brows, and I'm probably going to be using Lunar, which is the shade right here, or Phase, which is the far left shadow that is a deep brown. The only gripe that I have with this palette is that it is really big and it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm basically just going to be shading in my brows. I think I'm going to do more of like a natural look today, just because I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to go for. I know Korean makeup, Korean beauty is more of a natural kind of makeup style, which actually I really do like. A lot of my makeup is based off of the Korean makeup style, just because I feel like it suits my face the best. And yeah, also ignore this eye. She kind of does her own thing sometimes. I do need to get my prescription renewed, so, and that's the only way to fix it. So I just thought I'd let you guys know. If I see any rude comments about that, I'm probably just gonna filter the comments, honestly, so that I don't have to deal with that. I already get enough of that on TikTok. As you guys know, the people who have followed me from TikTok, you guys would know that I get those kind of comments a lot. And yeah, just know that your fellow content creators are people too. Anyway, enough about my rant. I'm gonna finish doing the brows really quick and then I'll be right back. Alright, my brows are done. I went in with Lunar and Phase. Now I'm gonna go in with oil and put that all over my lid just to kind of clean it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with Sarang, which is right here. It's the kind of more mauve-y brown. I'm basically just gonna be taking that and putting that on the edge and blending it out. I'm gonna take this shade again, and I'm just gonna go in on the inner corner with the smaller end of my Naked Cherry brush from the, what is it, Urban Decay palette. I forget what it's called. I found the palette. It's the Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. I actually really do like this palette. This brush came with the palette. I just use it a lot because it's quick and easy to grab. I apologize for the noise in the background. I don't exactly have control over the noise level where I'm living right now, so I apologize if that bothers you. Had to move the camera so you guys can get a closer look. Where was I? Oh yeah, I remember. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Deep Space with the same brush that I've been using this whole time, because I don't want to look for my other brushes because everything's kind of a mess right now. So I'm just gonna take Deep Space and put that in the outer corners of my eyes and kind of just blend it out again. Oh, and I'm also gonna take it in the inner corner. I'm not doing anything too crazy with this look, just simply because I don't know the capabilities of this palette. Like, I've seen her video, I watched her use it, I know the capabilities, but I'm doubting my own skill level. You get what I mean? Editing Kira here. I forgot I accidentally deleted that clip by accident. So basically what I did was I took one of the deeper brown shades, and I forget exactly which one, but I did a liner shape with an angled brush. Just thought I'd let you guys know that I didn't cheat the system. I actually used one of the shades from the palette for that little liner that you guys see. All right, back to the video, my bad. All right, so I just completed that step. Now I'm gonna tight line just the top part really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just tight lined my upper waterline. Now I'm going to do liner and mascara really quick, and probably add Juno, this shade right here, and then maybe Knit, but I'm not sure yet. Alright, so I just got done with eyeliner, mascara, and some shading around the eyes. Since it's a full face one palette, I'm going to go back in with the top left shade right here, and I'm going to basically set my under eyes with it. Like that. Super simple. Nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to bring it down the nose a little bit on the sides. And then we're going to get into contouring and, or as the Korean makeup stylist would call it, be shading. And then I'm going to go and do blush and highlight and all of that stuff too. All right, on to shading. So for shading, I'm going to use the shade Deep Space as my, whatever the heck you want to call it, contouring, and I'm going to bring it down the bridge of my nose like this on both sides. I'm not going to do anything too crazy because I don't feel like it. And then tip of my nose like that. Just kind of do that a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing under my lip because I have small lips. Your girl need help in that department. If you understand the struggle, you understand the struggle. Now I'm gonna grab my contouring / blush brush that I usually use, and I'm gonna go in with that same exact shade, tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna go in under the cheekbones. Alright, so basically the reason why I go upwards with these sort of things is because I don't like the look of having my face dragged downwards, because it elongates my face, and yeah, I just don't like the way it looks. So now I'm just gonna keep going into that one shade and carving out everything. Again, ignore the noise in the background. I have no control over my filming environment at the moment. But yeah, so I'm basically just gonna be doing this. I also apologize if the video quality is terrible. Meaning like noise, production value, all of that. I sincerely apologize, but this is the best I can do right now. Alright, so for blush, I'm going with the shade Mood up here. On my nose too, a little bit on my chin. And then to add a little bit more dimension, I'm going to go in with Lunar right here. And just add a tiny bit of dimension. Not too much, not too little, just the right amount. I don't even know what's happening out there, so don't ask. They're having a Nerf gun battle right now, apparently, in the middle of me trying to film. And they both know I'm trying to film, but they don't care. Top off the excess. I'm gonna go there. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlight shade Nebula. Just gonna put that on my brow bone on both sides, inner corner on both sides. And then high points of my cheeks. The Morphe brush that I've been using this whole video pretty much that I forgot to say is the Morphe M453. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose, the upper lip, then on my chin. Then I'm gonna do lips and I'll be back with the final look. All right, so the final look is complete. I just went in with the Essence Stay 8-Hour Lip Liner, waterproof in the shade Unforgettable, so 03. And then I topped it off with the Benefit Moisturizing Lip Balm in the shade 3, Pomegranate. Packaging is so pretty. I love it. And yeah, so that is the finished look. Full face, one palette, besides obviously brows, mascara, eyeliner, and lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I apologize if this video was a bit all over the place. Again, I have no control over my filming environment at the moment. I just hope that the next video will be better, and it's basically all just about improving. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified the next time I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!